Welcome back to InfyGyan friends. In this video, we'll be solving one very interesting question from algebra. Our equation is 2x plus 5 whole square over x plus 3 whole cube equal to 96, and we are looking for real solutions only. So let's get started by writing denominator cannot be 0. So I will write x cannot be negative 3. X plus 3 cannot be 0, so x cannot be negative 3. Now I will divide both sides by 8. This side also. So we will write 8. So 8 and 96 will be cancelled out. I will write 12 only. So equation will become 2x plus 5 whole square over this 8 we can write as 2 cube. So I will write 2 cube times x plus 3 whole cube equal to 12. Now we will club these two. Once exponents are same, bases can be multiplied. So I will be writing 2x plus 5 whole square over 2 times x plus 3, and then we will put whole cube equal to 12, or we can write 2x plus 5 whole square over 2x plus 6 whole cube equal to 12. Now we will use substitutions. Let me write equation once. 2x plus 5 whole square over 2x plus 6 whole cube equal to 12. Now let us assume 2x plus 5 equal to m. So I can write 2x plus 6 will be m plus 1. Let's write equation in variable m. I will get m square over m plus 1 whole cube equal to 12. Now our first substitution was 2x plus 5 equal to m. Now I will write m equal to 1 over n. So in place of m, we will write 1 over n. So 1 over n square over 1 over n plus 1 whole cube equal to 12. Now we will take LCM in the denominator and n cube will come up. So I will get numerator as n and denominator will be n plus 1 whole cube equal to 12. Remember, m was 1 over n. Now we have to solve this cubic equation. I will use one manipulation step. Let me write here. I will add 1 and subtract 1. So I can write equation as n plus 1 over n plus 1 whole cube minus 1 over n plus 1 whole cube equal to 12. Now this power will be cancelled. It will be 2 left and numerator will be 1 now. Once I will cancel numerator and denominator. So we will get 1 over n plus 1 whole square. Can we write 1 over n plus 1 the complete square minus 1 over n plus 1 whole cube. We can write 1 over n plus 1 then complete cube equal to 12. Now we will assume 1 over n plus 1. Let's say this is a. So our equation will be cubic in a square minus a cube equal to 12, or take all the terms to RHS, a cube minus a square plus 12 equal to 0. Now this is cubic equation. I will use method of factorization. So I will split minus a square as 2a square minus 3a square. Let me write here a cube minus a square plus 12 equal to 0. So I will write a cube plus 2a square minus 3a square. 2 minus 3 is negative 1 plus 12 equal to 0. Now from these two terms, a square is common. So in the bracket, we'll get a plus 2. From these two terms, I will take minus 3 common out. So in the bracket, a square minus 4. So I will write 4 as 2 square equal to 0. Now we can apply difference of two squares identity here. So a square a plus 2 minus 3 a plus 2 a minus 2 equal to 0. Now we will take a plus 2 overall common. So in other bracket we will get a square minus 3 times a minus 2 equal to 0. Or we can write a plus 2 times a square minus 3a plus 6 equal to 0. So from here we can conclude either a plus 2 will be 0 or a square minus 3a plus 6 equal to 0. Now we will solve both the equations one by one. I will begin with the quadratic equation a square minus 3a plus 6 equal to 0. A square minus 3a plus 6 equal to 0. Let's check discriminant only. So I will write formula b square minus 4ac. So b square is coefficient of small a negative 3. So negative 3 square minus 4 times a is coefficient of small a square, which is 1, c is constant 6. I will get 9 minus 24, which is equal to minus 15. Once discriminant is negative, we will get complex solutions for sure. So I can cancel this quadratic equation as we are looking for real one. Now we will write our second equation. This was a plus 2 equal to 0. So from here I will get a equal to negative 2. Now we have to put back our substitutions. A was 1 over n plus 1. So I will write 1 over n plus 1 equal to negative 2. Take reciprocal, switch numerator and denominator. We will get n plus 1 value as minus half. So n will become minus 1 minus half, which will be equal to minus 3 over 2. This is our n. Now m was 1 over n. So I will write here 1 over m in place of n. This will be equal to minus 3 over 2. So m will come out minus 2 over 3. Now m was our substitution 2x plus 5. So I will write 2x plus 5 equal to minus 2 over 3. Let's find out x. So 2x plus 5 equal to minus 2 over 3. So 2x will be minus 5 minus 2 over 3, which will give us minus 17 over 3. Minus 15 minus 2 minus 17 over 3. Now we will divide both sides by 2. We will get our final answer x equal to minus 17 over 6. Now we will cross-examine whether it is satisfying our equation or not. So I will write here check. Equation is written here. Let's begin with LHS. So I will write 2x plus 5. So let me write 2x plus 5 whole square over x plus 3 whole cube. This will be equal to 2x will be minus 17 over 3. So I will write directly minus 17 over 3 plus 5 whole square as numerator over x plus 3. So minus 17 over 6 plus 3 whole cube will be our denominator. Let's take LCM. So minus 17 plus 15 minus 2 over 3 whole square will be numerator, and minus 17 plus 18 1 over 6 whole cube will be denominator. So we can write minus square is plus, so 4 over 9, and this will get reciprocal. Denominator 1 over 6 whole cube, we can write 216. This is 6 cube. Now we can cancel. This will come out 24. So this will give us 4 times 24, 96. This is our RHS. So we will get our final answer. X is equal to minus 17 over 6. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.